Okay, thank you. Can I make that the combo?
What to drink?
The Mountain Dew. Do y'all have that or Mellow Yellow?
No.
Dr. Pepper?
Yes. What else?
What would you like?
A spicy chicken sandwich.
And a spicy chicken sandwich. What to drink?
Anything else?
It's water.
And a water to drink.
Anything else?
That'll do it.
$5.89, second window.
You can drive.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Mom! Oh my god, don't honk the horn. This is Annie, y'all. You wanna die? Did you say second or first window?
The second, there's no one there.
I'm scared to keep my window open.
She's white, it's okay.
It's just like worse than that haunted house. Why'd you turn the light on? I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but homeboy over there looked hungry. And he's walking this way.
Why are you putting that in your mouth?
Why are you videotaping?